Welcome to our discussion on how ChatGPT works. We'll explore the mechanisms behind this artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot by OpenAI designed for natural communication. It uses natural language processing to understand and respond to queries, aiding in tasks like writing, research, and coding. It's a valuable tool for students, professionals, and businesses, enhancing productivity and communication by providing quick, accurate responses. Artificial intelligence (AI) enables machines to mimic human intelligence, performing tasks like learning, pattern recognition, and decision making. It's used across various fields to enhance efficiency and automate tasks. AI systems improve by analyzing data and learning from experience. Generative AI, a branch of AI, creates new content, with ChatGPT being a notable example. Generative artificial intelligence is a form of artificial intelligence that creates new content like text, images, and music. It learns from large datasets to produce unique outputs, enhancing creativity and productivity across industries. ChatGPT exemplifies this by generating human like responses, facilitating natural communication and quick information access. ChatGPT is built on the Generative Pre trained Transformer model, a sophisticated language model by OpenAI. It uses transformer architecture to efficiently process language data, understanding word relationships. This enables ChatGPT to maintain conversation flow and generate accurate responses, predicting words to form complete sentences, thus engaging naturally across diverse topics. ChatGPT learns from extensive text data, including books and articles, to understand language, sentence structures, and word relationships. This pre training enables it to generate contextually relevant responses. It learns grammar, facts, and communication styles, but doesn't learn from real time interactions, relying instead on pre acquired knowledge for accurate responses. When a user inputs a prompt, ChatGPT analyzes it to grasp meaning and intent. Using advanced algorithms, it processes this with vast training data, predicting relevant responses. The model ensures clarity and accuracy, generating a coherent answer swiftly, enhancing user interaction with natural, readable responses. Artificial intelligence enhances efficiency across various fields. In education, it aids students in understanding and problem solving. For content writing, it streamlines article and script creation. In programming, it assists with coding and debugging. In customer support, it provides quick responses. For research, it generates ideas and gathers information efficiently. AI offers fast, 24/7 responses, supporting tasks like writing and coding efficiently. However, it may provide incorrect information, lacking true understanding, and relying on training data quality. This highlights its flexibility and limitations in processing language statistically without real awareness. Thank you for your attention. We appreciate your interest in our presentation. Have a great day.